get over at least. Oh my gosh, I get so frustrated at this point. Come on, there's an accident. Try to move over. Look, where are you going? Or is there an accident? Or is it just a police officer there? Like, I don't see no other car. Oh, we pulled somebody over, or in the middle of the road?